What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video, my friend and I took out our RC cars to the park to have some fun with them. We did some driving, drove the Rustler 4x4 down the slide, did some tricks, and more. This video is a ton of fun to make, so enjoy.
Turn a little bit. Go.
Here.
Go.
Ready? I do not like how that sounded. What happened?
I just saw it like bouncing around.
Oh no, dude! Hey, look! Knocked out the drive shaft. No, darn it! I just replaced the one on the other side, so I guess it's like a lot stronger. All right, we got our two-wheel drive Rustler.
I see. Can't break it if the remote's off.
I see what you mean. It's actually.
I mean, when I get my new spoiler, I might be able to, but it's just gonna be the smaller.
Hey,
Let's go. Would not be a park bash session without.
Oh wait, hold up. Oh yeah, I guess it's not heavy enough. I don't know. You gotta lose some weight. No, you gotta lose weight and then it'll be able to launch you or something. Wait, hold on. Wait, do a tree flip off the wall. Off of that green wall. Oh, you gotta get like sort of a run up.
I'm not gonna full speed.
We don't have to do full speed, like if you just do it like starting from there. It's maybe the worst tree flip ever.
That must be pretty good.
Yes, over the monkey bars of death. Dude, this guy, MLG with the monkey bars. Alright. Yeah, see if you can go around in circles.
Wait, is it sideways? I can't see it.
Yeah, it's fully sideways. Oh. Wait, dude, if I get it started, then it can actually go really fast, right?
Wait, no, sideways.
Like if I just start it really fast. Oh yeah, dude! Okay, wait, let's do it again. Alright, ready, set, go. Dude, that's so awesome. Alright, ready, set. Oh yeah. Yep, look at that. Yeah, that is stripped out. Yeah, we're gonna need to replace that. Although, honestly, I'm not really surprised about this. I mean, I was kind of expecting this to happen, because this poor spur gear has been through a lot. A few days ago, one of the slipper clutch pads broke, and the slipper clutch got spinning so fast that it actually melted, like we had parts fused together, so I'm surprised that this spur gear lasted as long as it did. So unfortunately, that's it for today's video. Thank you all very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.